Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use this Raindrip water scheduler. This you can use for like scheduling watering to your garden or your vegetable garden, anywhere like you want to schedule. The main thing is this is manual. Manual means you cannot use from phone or anywhere. It's just simply you can schedule from this using these knobs, and it doesn't have any rain meter or rain sensor. So but it has rain delay. As you can see here, it has rain delay. You can stop like scheduling watering for uh, 24 hours or 48 hours or 72 hours, but you have to do it manually. And you can schedule, and every day it can give water. So I used it, I purchased it from Amazon. It came with like watering system, like pipes and the nozzles, and also the drip scheduler. It's altogether it was like $29, I believe. I purchased last year. So that's how you put the batteries. Let me put the batteries on. And I put it there. Done. Now it's on. As you can see, the automatic light was glowing. So that's how it works. And so when you install this one, you can water manually like this. You can water it like this, and like 3-minute manual. So as soon as you put it 3-minute manual, it will start for 3 minutes. You can hear the sound, right? Started. And you can put reset and it will off. Otherwise it will turn off like after 3 minutes. So same 5 minutes, 10 minutes, however you want. You can see the light is glowing, and that's how it works. And to schedule, you need to select two things. One is runtime and one is frequency. The frequency is divided with in hours, like in 24 hours. How many times? Like one means daily, one time. When you put 2, that means every 12 hours. When you put 3, that means every 8 hours, because 24 divided by this number 3, so that is 8. So that's how it works, and it actually starts when you schedule it from that time. You cannot select the time exactly. Like let's say right now it is in our house, in our area, it is like 11:30 right now, and you want to start watering 6 a.m. Then you need to schedule it at 6 a.m. You cannot schedule it right now, because as soon as you schedule, it will start from that time. So make sure you understand that. And the run time means how long it should give water. So let's say I want to give water for want it to turn it on for 5 minutes every day. 5 minutes. The time, what time you want to turn it on, that depends on when you are scheduling. Right now, if I schedule it right now, then it will it will give water tomorrow at 11:30. So make sure based on when you are scheduling, that time it will give water. So if you need to do it early in the morning, then you schedule it early in the morning. That's the only drawbacks, but there's nothing. So let's say I want to give water for 5 minutes. So you can give water, select 5 minutes, and how many times I want to do it. One time. So every day at 11:30 right now. So every day at 11:30 it will give water for 5 minutes. If you want 2 times, let's say if you select 2, that means every 12 hours. That means now it's 11:30 a.m. so it will give water 11:30 p.m. and 11:30 a.m. 2 times. That's how it works. So this is very simple, but the friend, this is very good device, and it gives very good battery life. because I used it last year. I actually purchased it last year and I used it and it worked really good. It saved water, it saved my time. And when you schedule, there is one other feature. When you, let's say you schedule it and tomorrow you are expecting rain, so you don't want to give water today, you want next 24 hours you are expecting rain, you don't want to give, so you select this one like rain delay and 24. So even though schedule time comes to 11:30 today and 11 tomorrow 11:30 a.m, it will not turn on, it will not turn on the water because it will wait 24 hours. Same way, if you're expecting rain for next 48 hours, you can just select this and it will not give water. After 2 days, after 48 hours, it will again go back to the normal schedule. So that's very good thing. Only thing is you have to do everything manually, it cannot do, and you have to go to the device to schedule it or put the rain delay. So that's the only drawbacks. So friends, that's all actually about this. So let's connect it and see how it works. So friends, I just connected it to the hose pipe, as you can see from here, and this is, so let me turn it on for three minutes manually. So I just turned it on and let's see. Oh sorry, not that one, that's for scheduling. So I need to turn it on for manual 3 minutes. So you can see, you hear the sound, so water started flowing, you can hear it and you can see it actually, that water is flowing. That's all, and let me turn it off and it should be turned off. Yep, it turned off. So friends, that's all about this. I implemented another water timer, Melnor. Also I have a video for that. You can I'll drop the link below in the description box, so you can see that. And this is automatic one, you can it is an app, and you can, this is Bluetooth, you can connect from your phone and then schedule it, and it has four zone. Friends, please let me know your thoughts about this video and about the product. Please put it in the comment box. And that's all actually today. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.